right in the heart of the old MG Rover factory. So a lot has been built on around here. This is now an access road go towards Longbridge Island there, and you can well tell the amount of redevelopments around here. Oh, we've got the is it the Wolseley Hornet? There we are. Fresh from the Longbridge Rally, there we are. No, it's a rally up, I do believe. There we are. Longbridge Rally on today. Showcasing all the cars made here, right in this spot, over the years. Of course, mainly now retail, housing and other businesses. All built on here. Shopping centres and whatnot. Bit of greenery, but of course the local Southern City College. I thought it was Bourneville College, but anyway, don't see many MG Rovers about around, or British cars these days. Keep saying it, might encourage people to have a look around and see what is made here. May not be owned by a British company, but certainly a lot of cars made here. We need to be a lot more celebratory about our country, of course. Like other countries, value their industry.